Hello, come closer. Let's make the trending cucumber stew together. Let's start.
Don't skip any part of this video so that you get yours right when you're trying it and you equally hear our honest review on this cucumber stew. Remove the back of the cucumber as I'm doing. The reason for this is some cucumber bark used to be bitter. So to avoid bitterness in your stew, remove it. I equally removed the center because mine was strong. It was matured cucumber. If you have soft cucumber, you can blend everything. I wanted to use 2 cucumber for this recipe, but I was afraid of the outcome. I ended up using 1. My honest review to you is you should use as many cucumber as possible. Keep watching to see why. I blended mine with 1 large onion. After blending, I noticed the water was much, even though that I didn't add water, so I reduced the water. For this recipe, I used mackerel fish. Cut and wash your fish. I spice mine with seasoning cube, dry grounded pepper and onion. Note, you can use any protein for this recipe, just that I decided to make use of ice fish. Add water and cook. Mine was 100% cooked. I turn off the flame and set aside. Go ahead and pound or blend your pepper mix as I'm doing. This consists of cayenne pepper, yellow and red scotch bonnet pepper. The pepper mix will help brighten up the color of this stew as we will not be making use of any tomatoes. I use vegetable oil for this recipe. I saute some onion, ginger and garlic, curry powder and thyme. After that, go ahead and add your blended cucumber and turn very well. If you notice, I rough blended my cucumber. Now I added my pepper mix as well. Turn everything thoroughly and allow to fry. I fried mine for 8 minutes. This depends on the quantity of your stew. Go ahead and season it to your choice and add your protein. Combine very well. Allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes again before you turn off your flame. Drop the city and country you're watching this video from in the comment section. I will send you special greetings in my next video. My today's special greetings goes to my sister Charity. She has been supportive and committed right from day one. Thank you so much. It was a nice time with you. Thanks for watching this far. This is a must try recipe for you. Hear our honest review on it.
Thank you. You're welcome. Let me look at it. You can tell that let me just confirm that. Okay. Yeah, it's looking so nice. Yeah. Let's get it. Come, let's bind together. Wow.
Why did I make plenty?
This is so nice.
I'm going for another plate.
And it has a taste of cucumber in it.
Yes. Very unique taste. This is nice. Keep it up, Mother T.
Thank you.
Mother T to the world. I'm definitely going to try this.
The fish complemented the taste as well.
Yes. I'm glad to be all this while I'll just be watching you. Watching you as you prepare and eat alone. It's an honor to be here and test your food today.
Thank you.